What I got from the early bird in Steal a Brain Rot. Taco Tuesday. Sammy decides to spawn in the cursed event. Spinning the wheel. I was so close to a cursed secret lucky block. First taco lucky block with the cursed mutation. OMG, it looks so cool.
Lucky block.
Second one spawns in. Sammy types
Lucky
a message.
Lucky block.
That is 3 taco lucky blocks with the cursed mutation.
Lucky block. Lucky block.
Sammy spawns Los taco blocks, again with the cursed mutation.
Lucky block. Lucky block.
W Sammy.
Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block. Lucky block.
Opening the first Los Taco blocks. Hopefully I get something good. Nice! A Los Cucarachas, 11.4 million a second with the cursed mutation. Looks sick. A Los Chihuahuas, darn it. Why? Selling all of my bad brain rots.